Last month, I almost lost $3,000 in a P2P transaction. The buyer disappeared, and my funds in the escrow account were frozen for 72 hours. After that, I decided to test all the existing exchanges, and one of them changed everything. If you have USDT, you know what a nightmare it is. Centralized exchanges, endless KYC procedures. P2P, you're trusting a stranger. Instant services, hidden fees ranging from 3 to 5%. I've been trading for 4 years now and have tried them all. Then someone in a Telegram chat mentioned Tron Cash. Smart contract escrow, no KYC for amounts up to $10,000, and real market rates. I was skeptical at first, but decided to check it out. Tron Cash is a service that exchanges USDT for fiat via the TRC20 network. 3 key points. First, your USDT isn't locked in someone else's wallet, but in an audited smart contract. If something goes wrong, an automatic refund will be triggered. No trust the person nonsense. Second, where does the service work? The answer is everywhere, literally. Whether you want to withdraw money in bustling Lagos, a mountain village in India, or even in Karachi, the money will get there. Geography is no obstacle. The service is available in more than 50 countries, with over 1,000 withdrawal methods, from local payment systems and mobile money to international cards. Choose the one you're most comfortable with. Third, the fee is a flat 0.5%. No hidden spreads, no exchange rate manipulation. You receive your money at a fair bank exchange rate, the one you see on the screen. No surprises. Now let's try it out in real time. Transfer your USDT to your Trust wallet. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Important: USDT must be on the TRC20 network. Other networks are not supported. I'm sending 520 USDT to my Bank of America account. After the fee, that's about $517.40. I select Bank of America and enter my email address for notifications. The email is optional, but it'll provide it. I click Start Exchange. The confirmation screen is completely transparent. Every condition is clearly visible. Now I enter my account details and link my wallet. The USDT is held in a smart contract. Let's track the process. Order created. Deposit received. Blockchain confirmed. Fiat sent. Done. It took about a minute and a half. Now for the most important part, confirmation and release from escrow. My USDT remained in the smart contract the entire time. No one touched it. I click Release from escrow. The funds are credited on the blockchain. No trust is required. We check the deposit in my bank account. We see a new deposit at Bank of America, $517.40. Exactly the amount that was specified. After 4 years and dozens of exchanges, this is the one I use now. Speed, transparency, escrow protection. It all just works. Link in the description. Leave a comment if you decide to give it a try. I'm really curious to hear how it goes for you. Like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.